How to get the iPhone keyboard on your Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get the amazing keyboard on iPhone just on your Android phone, easy and fast. First thing, go to Play Store. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top here and search for iPhone keyboard like this, and you will find many apps, but make sure to choose this one. It's called iPhone keyboard and it has more than 1 million downloads. As you can see, this one is gonna give you this keyboard. As you can see, it is a cool keyboard for your Android phone, and after you download the app you will get the keyboard directly after you activate it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for the video, until the video. See you later, and thank you so much.